Cash up, Zal maman PayPal, boy.
Can you?
I'm out here in Miami looking for the hoochie daddies. Where the niggas they get rich? Where they get rich? What is up, YouTube? What is up to the YouTube? Yes, I'm back with another video. Back with another video. Hey, you guys, Charlene here. Back at it again with the new video. Yeah, I'm in Miami.
Shut up, why you put the end news?
Why put what?
That's not what I told you. What did you put? You said about.
It's always a hater interrupting, so we're gonna redo that again. Because my mom was most definitely hating. We got our hair done. One thing about me, I'm gonna spin a bag on this hair. I'm gonna spin a bag on some hair. 30 inches. You know I'm coming from Miami like I do every single year. We're actually in Fort Lauderdale to be exact. I'm super excited. Make sure you guys like, comment. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Shades is Tom Ford. Yeah. So we out here. Make sure you guys watch the whole video, whole vlog. We about to just be, we at the Airbnb. I'm about to show you actually. Matter of fact, you know I'm here with my mama. Her friend is here too. This is the bathroom. I love it. Let me put this in the case before she start crying about it. Yeah, we got the Tom Fords. I'll close it later. Let me give y'all a little overview. That's our room. This is the second bathroom. Second room. Front entrance. Living room. This place is actually nice. Like, they really renovated the hell out of here. They renovated the hell out of here. There's a little patio balcony. Nice spot to smoke a blunt. Oh, they got, it's like an L shaped. What I'm most excited for is this mirror. Yes, baby. The body is giving. One thing about this body, she gonna give what she's supposed to give. And one thing about me, I'm gonna spend a bag on some hair. But yeah, y'all, so that's what it's looking like.
Man, you're a Dominican. Block him.
Babe. What is it? Block you? Block you?
Block him, I'm put in now. Monsieur, toi.
Chérie. I can't move that. Yeah, exactly.
My brother, she have Torino, but I really didn't catch him in Torino, no?
Update. So we currently at Walmart getting some stuff for this Airbnb that they should have provided us with, like simple stuff like towels and face towels. So that's annoying. Best believe we're leaving a bad review because it's been nothing but hell in there. But as you guys already seen in the previous clips. But right now, we're about to go check out. We got what we needed. I'm about to grab a couple snacks when we get to the front. And I'm gonna go get some liquor, you know what I'm saying? Cause yeah. And yeah, so that's basically what's going on. I just thought about something. I don't know how people be scared to vlog in public. Like me, I will vlog in public. I do not care. Look at me. Just look at me like I do not care. Off to the liquor store. So the Walmart is right here. Liquor store is literally right here. When I was here like 2 years ago, not last year, but the year before, I was here last year too, but the year before I was here as well. There was a Walmart we went to, and there was a liquor store that was sold by Walmart, but it had its own separate building. So this is a little bit different that they didn't sell it here. So my happy place. My mom said she wanted some wine or whatever. I'm about to grab my little thingy of drink. I ain't gonna do no big bottle though. Oh, excuse me. Let me see. Update. Hey y'all, so we just got done getting ready. It's been a lot of hours later. I took a nap, of course, and we had to handle some Airbnb business. But anywho, we are ready to go outside. You know the drill. This is the outfit. I took some pics and some videos. Two-piece set. We're wearing silver. Tonight's all black, but you know me, I'm not wearing all black because what they thought this was. The edges is laid. Yeah. Hair is given. I know I was looking rough off vlog, but now y'all can't say nothing now, period. We got clear shoes, clear little heels. Toes are yellow, matches the hands. Because if they're not matching, what are you doing? Yeah. I'm about to leave all this makeup here because I'm going to handle it in the morning. That's the good part. You could just leave everything where it's at. You got to put nothing back. But I am going to take this to go with me, this to go with me, this to go with me. Put some deodorant, perfume. Deodorant. This two-piece is from Shein. But you wouldn't hold up. I said trying to be wearing some dossier tonight. It's a movie. Got the beans for the baby mamas that be in the DM. Oh, got it. Good morning, y'all. It is day 2. Fully got dressed. As you can see, this is the outfit. Yeah. Yeah. So we going out to eat. And yeah, there's a spin around. Last night was so fun, y'all. Like, I really enjoyed myself. It was a really good time. I was backstage, as y'all seen in the previous clip. I really enjoyed myself. So now we about to go out to eat, and then today's Haitian flag day. So happy Haitian flag day, time and yeah, so we go to the festival later on today. It's gonna be a very long day, and then there's another event after the festival, so it's gonna be a long day. Make sure you guys stay tuned. If you're watching this far and you're enjoying it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up.
In 1.3 miles, take exit 10B to merge onto I-95 south toward Miami.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get a wave. Huh?
She's worried about herself.
They say what they're gonna say. Like me is hard.
Hymne national sponsorisé spécialement par Tigos dans les Colombes. Par l'équipe
Yes, it's giving very much big and loud. Like, can you like? That's nothing to be proud of.
She said chaque jour, c'est pas chaque matin, laisse-moi mettre ma conversation. Laisse-moi laisser dormir. Oui, compète. Faut me remettre l'argent.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. My phone been running out of storage, y'all. So like some of the clips is like a little bit shorter than others are cut up. As I was saying y'all before the video had got cut up, today we're gonna go to get food, brunch, and stuff like that. And then we're going out again tonight. Last night the spot we were supposed to go ended up getting canceled. They like canceled the whole thing and shut it down. It was very upsetting because a lot of people, the people I'm with, we had got a table. We paid for our tickets to get in, and they canceled it before we even got to leave the house. Something happened. They had cops come and everything. But I'm in the car right now waiting for my mom. This is the outfit, as y'all see, with the shoes. Yeah. Oh, there's my mama. She's giving something to her friend. But that's what's going on right now. We're about to go eat. Yesterday was cool, I enjoyed it, and now today is another day, and boy am I tired. Update y'all, we in the streets. I had to change my shoes. I put on some sandals. We are, hold on, let me fix it, okay. So we are going to this event called the Madam Googles. It's like an outside event thingy or whatever. Artists, they were playing soccer. It actually started at 3 o'clock with a soccer game. But ain't nobody finna be sitting in Miami Heat watching a soccer game in the beach, or at least not me. So yeah, right now we are walking to the event right now because now since the soccer game's been over a couple hours ago, they already had the artists playing since like 7. So we're mad late, of course. And then we're going to the Bow concert again tonight. So it's just been a whole bunch of running around. Yeah, it feels so good tonight. I'm not even mad. This might be my dream grad school because I'm most definitely gonna be moving out here for grad school. I told myself that since I was like 17. So I don't know, I just love Miami. I do. I could live here. And Miami always showed me so much love. The men out here are so nice to me.
Huh? You right here.
You left me on my side.
It's dark.
That's why. But
Yeah, y'all. Good afternoon, you guys. So the last time I seen you guys was when we were at this event called Madame Gugu's, which was like an outside park event where they had like a soccer game around 3 o'clock, and then around 7 they had artists came out. We didn't stay there that long. It was a lot of people. It was hot. You barely could hear the music. We was all the way in the back. I just really didn't care for it, honestly. And then after that we went out to go to see we went to go to the club to see some artists. So I wanted to leave that park event anyway so I can get ready for that. So I didn't get to vlog after the park event because my phone's been running out of storage. So I had to delete a couple things. So now we're here. So today's the last full day. I already took a shower, got up in motion, ready for the day. Well, I haven't got ready, but like got my mind right. Yeah, so do I know what's on the list? Not really. We're supposed to go to a pool party. We gonna see. I already know we're gonna go out again tonight. Boy, am I tired. And then after that, we are gonna that's basically it for the day. We're gonna go get some food, maybe a pool party, not too sure, and then we're gonna go out again tonight. So yeah. I'm so tired. And just like that, we back in Vegas, y'all. We back in Vegas. Miami treated me so well. Like every time I go, show me so much love. Like I be like, thank you, Miami. Messi, Messi. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching this whole entire video. If you made it this far, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, all of that. I'm about to wrap up this video, start editing. I already got the clips together. I just got to get this outro going. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say, y'all. The trip was amazing. I'm gonna be back in July, Sunfest. So yeah, I'm super excited for that, and I'm just, yeah, we going up this summer. Yeah, especially with these videos, because consistency is gonna be there, y'all. It's just so hard to balance and like find like balance like real life and then like my platforms on social media, like with my TikTok and YouTube and stuff like that. So now since I have taken this long month break, I figured it out on how to do it, so how to proceed
forward the best way. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all tune in for the next video. Bye. Peace out. Biatch.